to FasTrax Cars. I'm Kevin Matlo. I got Dave here with an absolutely incredible 1966 Galaxie. Dave, welcome to my show.
Thanks.
Tell me a bit about your car.
It's just a Survivor, really. There's been a paint job on it. I didn't do it. I bought it basically like that.
Yeah.
Did some fixes and just kept it up, and it's a road car like this. Driving, and stays in the garage in the wintertime and comes out as much as I can.
Absolutely. It's a show car.
Well, it's just a driver. It needs a bunch of stuff, but they all do, except for these $1 million cars.
You drive it on a pretty regular basis then?
As much as I can in the summer.
That's great.
As much as I can.
That's fantastic. I mean, you own it. You might as well enjoy it, right?
Yeah.
No point in garaging it and not getting to enjoy it.
Yeah.
When you got the car, what condition was it? Was it basically as you see it now, or?
Pretty well. I put a new dash in it and a few, not a lot of things, but got it running and a lot better. Put new carb, and every year I put some other stuff on it.
It never ends.
It doesn't end, but that's what it is. I enjoy it. I enjoy meeting people like yourself. And we have good laughs and
absolutely
good people to meet. Right.
Wonderful.
So,
what engine's in this car?
289.
289.
289.
Is that what came with it?
Yes, it's original 289.
Yeah.
The motor's been rebuilt, but tranny, it's still strong and everything. That's never been out of it,
And it's a automatic?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, automatic.
Okay.
Automatic.
And the interior-wise has been reconditioned, or is that basically as you had it?
Basically all the same as day one.
That's incredible.
There's some damage on the sides where the windows are there, but it's a 58-year-old car.
It's a Survivor.
Yeah, Survivor. Yeah.
That's fantastic.
If you're an automotive enthusiast like we are, like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you're alerted when new videos go live.
And the original color it was, or is it?
No, it was.
Because it's got a nice metallic flake to it.
It was just a little bit of a kind of a bluish green color that I could find places where it's chipped off and stuff like that. Because it's a 15-year-old paint job. I can figure when I bought it. I think I bought it about. Again, it's going on 5 years now.
Yeah.
So yeah. And I've been just keeping it up, and there's do fixes here, do this and do that.
Right.
Put new brakes on it. Willwood brakes on it.
Are they drums in the back, discs in the front, or
discs all the way around?
Discs all around.
Used to have drums.
Yeah. Okay. So that's been upgraded.
Yeah.
So, and again, for safety, I mean, you upgrade the brakes, upgrade the lines.
It's like a modern car now, so.
Good. And power steering?
Yeah, power steering, power brakes.
Okay.
We got the booster and everything on behind it and everything, so.
Excellent.
Yeah, it's like a modern car.
Good rubber on it too. It looks really nice.
Yeah.
What size rubber is that? Do you know?
You know what? Off the top of my head, I don't remember.
We'll take a look and we'll get a video of it. We'll get a video of that rubber. It's nice. It's good looking rubber. It's got the white wall lettering. It's really quite nice.
American racing rims,
Any exhaust on it?
Yeah, dual exhaust on it.
Exhaust custom?
Yeah, custom made. Yeah, for sure. People come up to me, and I had a lady come up to me and, oh, this was my car, and blah blah blah, and she had just about had a tear in her eye remembering.
Yeah.
It's good stories.
That's what this is all about, though. I mean, these cars are about, I had that car when I was. Or my dad had a car like that when,
I get that all the time.
That's what it's about. I mean,
I get that all the time for sure.
That's fantastic. Anything else you want to talk about the car?
It's just a good old ride.
Enjoyable.
Yeah, enjoyable. Good conversation piece.
Yeah.
Right? That kind of stuff. Yeah.
Fantastic. Yeah. Well, thank you very much for sharing your car with me. I do appreciate your time.
Thank you. Thank you for taking your time.